In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn how to turn any function into high-quality unit tests using ChatGPT. No guesswork, no manual boilerplate. Just copy, paste, and run. In this video, you'll learn how to generate unit tests using ChatGPT, write the right prompt, create pytest or Jest tests, fix common mistakes, and run everything locally. Before we begin, here are the prerequisites. If you're using Python, make sure you have Python version 3.9 or higher installed, and install pytest using pip. If you're using JavaScript, install Node.js version 18 or higher, initialize a project, and install Jest as a development dependency. I'll demonstrate everything using Python and pytest, but the same workflow applies to JavaScript and Jest. Writing unit tests is essential, but it's often repetitive and time-consuming. ChatGPT is excellent at generating test boilerplate, identifying edge cases, and improving coverage, so you can focus on logic instead of syntax. The key to getting good test code from ChatGPT is the prompt. You need to clearly specify the testing framework, what function to test, which edge cases matter, and what assumptions ChatGPT should not make. Let's start with a simple Python function. This function performs division and raises an error when dividing by 0. It's a perfect example because it includes both normal behavior and an exception case. Now comes the most important step. Copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. You are a senior Python developer. Generate pytest unit tests for the following function. Use pytest style. Cover normal cases and edge cases. Test exceptions explicitly. Do not change the original function. Output only the test code. After the prompt, paste your original function code directly below it. ChatGPT will generate a clean pytest test file. You'll see tests for normal division, floating point values, and a test that verifies the division by 0 error using pytest raises. This is exactly what professional unit test code looks like. Save the generated test file, then run pytest in your terminal. If everything is set up correctly, all tests should pass successfully. If you're working with JavaScript instead of Python, simply change the prompt to request Jest unit tests. The workflow remains exactly the same, only the testing framework changes. Here are 2 common pitfalls to watch out for. First, ChatGPT may guess the wrong file name or import path. To fix this, explicitly mention the correct file name in your prompt. Second, you might get only happy path tests. To avoid this, always ask for boundary and error cases. Here are a few pro tips. Ask for parameterized tests to reduce duplication, request at least 90% test coverage, and when working with APIs or databases, ask ChatGPT to generate mocked tests. You now know how to generate unit tests using ChatGPT, improve coverage, avoid common mistakes, and run everything locally. This simple workflow can save you hours every week. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel and check the GitHub link in the description for prompts and examples. Happy testing!
Now it's demo time. In this demo, I'll show you how to use the same method and prompt to generate test cases using ChatGPT. First, we copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, we copy the entire function we want to test and paste it below the prompt. After that, we simply wait for ChatGPT to generate the test cases. Once the output is ready, copy everything that ChatGPT generates. Next, open your code editor, create a new test file, and paste the generated test code into it. Make sure to replace the module or file name with your own project's module name. Finally, run the command to execute the test cases. And just like that, all the tests pass successfully.